Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with Essentials. Make sure Realme UI is updated and gestures or the navigation bar are enabled. This avoids missing controls. Open the two apps you plan to use, one in front, one in background, so switching is instant. Once done, press the Recent Apps button or swipe up and hold to view multitasking. Make sure neither app is in full-screen media mode because that blocks split screen. Now you're ready for the first split action. You'll now create the split. In Recent Apps, tap the split screen icon on the app card or long press the app icon and choose Split Screen. If you don't see the icon, drag the app to the top of the screen to anchor it. Next, select the second app from Recent Apps or the app drawer to fill the bottom half. Make sure to adjust the dividing handle to allocate space. This is useful when you need more typing area versus viewing area. To finish, resize the panes by dragging the center divider. You can also tap swap to flip positions or use pop-up controls for app-specific actions. When you're done, press home or drag the divider to an edge to close the bottom or top app. If split screen won't start, force close both apps and retry or reboot the phone. Also check Settings Intelligent Assistant Split Screen to ensure the feature is enabled. This single step fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.